Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dandi Candra. Just call me Dandi. My name 110231011. I'm from Prodi Education B. Okay, my friend, I will present PowerPoint text about volcanic lightning. It is feature about volcanic lightning. Volcanic lightning is a weather phenomenon that occurs when lightning is formed due to the appearance of an eruption ball. A famous photo this phenomenon, taken by Carl Guterres, takes place atop the Candra volcano Taal. Next facts. A brief introduction. Point 1. It is a weather phenomenon that is related to the production of lightning in a volcanic plume. Point 1. Point 2. It has very little to do with tectonic activity, unlike the other volcanic activities, and everything to do with physics. Point 3. These related record observations are from the younger rating from 79 are the description eruption of mid Vesuvius, Italy. Next facts about history. Point 1. The first studies of volcanic lightning were conditioned at Mid Vesuvius by Professor Palmieri. Point 2. He concluded that the eruption of this volcanic mountain between 158 and 1872 often included lightning activity. Point 3. A study showed that 27 to 35% of eruption include volcanic activity per year. It also showed that volcanic lightning and been observed 201 and 12 times in 80 different volcanics. This is feature bolt of lightning can shoot out of an eruption volcano. This feature. Where next specs. Where is the format? Point 1. Volcanic lightning is not formed deep in the air. It only formed in volcanic plume. A long cloud of smoke or vapor are rising due to volcanic eruption. Point 2. Volcanics that like a thick volcanic plume, usually like volcanic lightning. Volcanoes in Hawaii, for instance, are more likely to eject flat lava fountains than thick plume of ice. These volcanoes rarely have volcanic lightning. Next, how is it formed? Point 1. The tiny protein that makes up a volcanic plume are tightly compressed beneath a volcano. The area of atmosphere above ground, however, is much less dense. This change in density contributes to volcanic lightning. As densely packed particles are volatility injected in a volcanic plume. They rub against each other. This interaction is called friction. Without friction, as electrically charged, a charged particle is less dense volcanic plume. The plume experiences inspiration. Positively charged particles become incredibly separated from negatively charged particles. Next, how is the format? When the change is very become too great for air to resist the flow of electricity, lightning tears through the volcanic plume to connect the positive and negative charged particle. Another cause, the second kind of lightning, which the author called a newly identified exploded path, came as a surprise as magma, ice, and rocks spewed from volcanoes carrying great electrical charge. The critic continues, chaotic spike near the mouth of the volcano. This occurred first time in St. Augustine in Alaska in mid-January 2006. Seasonal cause. In a study present in the Bulletin of Volcanology in 2010, it was stated that seasonal effects show that more eruptions with lightning were reported in winter, but by their respective autumnal and vernal equinox than in summer. This finding indicates that the lightning activity is driven by magma, diffused water rather than atmospheric. Next, to volcano lightning. Point 1. Lightning around in the heights of the towering plume. 2. Lightning around the mouth of erupting volcano. This picture relief is point 1 and picture right point 2. Next, fun fact: the temperature of a ball of volcanic lightning can reach 30,000 degrees Celsius. The lightning itself may come in various shapes and forms, including but lightning, seed lightning, or combination of those, as during the eruption of Mid-Este held in 1980. Point 3. It is beautiful, exquisite, but also very deadly. And last point, scientists started using volcanic lightning to predict the size of a skull. Okay, thank you.